exit. Time to say goodbye. Time to leave it to someone else to try. Time to take one step back in time, to lay the weapons down. Chasing dreams is for the righteous, but this weight will make you drown. Why keep chasing castles in the sky? Time to face it. It's not worth your while. Time to close this book and put it back on the shelf where it was found. When the time comes, you'll be grateful. Both your feet are on the ground. When the flood comes down from the mountain and you know this will only be pain, it's fine to drop the weight from your shoulders and lift your face up to the rain. That's not giving up. You chose to refrain, unchain. Each king will one day take off his heavy gown. He'll gladly lay down the burden of the crown. Once he was another man, a stronger one maybe. Oh, he fought his battles proudly, but it's his time to be free. When the flood comes down from the mountain and you know this will only be pain, it's fine to drop the weight from your shoulders and lift your face up to the rain. That's not giving up. You chose to refrain, unchained.